If it's 025, and I can see in this listing here, t-shirt, as we can see here.
Strong.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. One of my subscribers asked me a question about copyright infringement, so that's why I'm gonna answer today. If it's your first time, my name is Oliver, and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to succeed with Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, or any other print on demand. Let's see those questions. Okay, so the first question that my subscriber asked is, suppose I would rather be flying is trademark. Is it okay to use I would rather be dancing? But I'm gonna share with you here, it's my opinion. I'm not a lawyer, and if you are looking for legal advice, please contact a lawyer. I'm gonna share with you my experience, what I'm doing to avoid copyright, but even doing everything I can. As you can see here, I had 238 rejection. The majority because I clicked on the youth design, but a few got rejected, got dropped. Okay, so my go-to tool to check trademark is the TM Hunt. TM Hunt basically is looking on the USPTO website for trademark. When you're on TM Hunt, if you want to look only for one phrase, you can just copy it here, or maybe if you even have multiple, you can paste all the phrase that you have. But since we want to check only one, let's check this one. But what I like to do is to go to split search, because this multi-search, you will look for the full phrase, you will not look for individual words. Okay, so let's go directly to split search and paste it here, and we're gonna click on search. We can see that it brings a lot of results, so I'm gonna click on set live and text, because I'm interested on what keyword what text are trademark. I can see here it found only B and I. These are common words, even if they are trademarked and they are registered, and even the second one is not registered. So I'm pretty sure we can do this design. Let's take the example of, because I know that this one is in process, just a girl who loves fishing. I click on search. What I want to do is to click on register no, type text. I can see here, as you can see, just a girl who loves. Here we can see dead. That's interesting. Someone recently tried to register it and it failed. You see the owner of the trademark withdrew the application. So he tried like a few months ago. I was looking on it, I said, oh my god, what happened? But finally he withdrew. But let's take the example of, if this one was still live, okay, but it was not registered, me personally, because I don't want after 1 or 2 years, if this one become trademark, is approved and registered, I don't want this person to go to Amazon and ask to drop my listing. So as soon as this one is live, okay, what I will do, I will click on the number. I will of course check if it's live, if it's live here, then I will go to good and service. Okay, if it's 025, and I can see in this listing here t-shirt, as we can see here, automatically I will not create a design using this phrase, just a girl will love. 025 primary class, and when I see here t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt and so on, but basically t-shirt, because my main listing contains t-shirt. So if it's 025 and t-shirt, I will not use this phrase for my listing. Okay, so this is what I will do. Even if it's just a girl who love, here on our example it was fishing, even if it's fishing, it was hunting and so on, you cannot use this phrase if it's trademark. Whatever is added at the end, you cannot use the phrase, and I will not use it. Even if just a girl alone is trademark, I will not use it. Okay, we have a lot of phrases in this world. I better not, I don't want to risk my account. Now for unique words like a, and you can see even just a girl here, someone tried to register it but it failed again. For unique word like just, if just or a or girl, we can go, because these are common words. So this was the first question of my subscriber. Second one is, does it help to rank if the same code I would rather be dancing used in a brand title, bullet description? The owner of Merch Informer did a case study. We'll try to find it. And basically he said that in this the conclusion was that adding the keywords on the brand, on the title, and on the bullet point help him to rank his t-shirt. So definitely you have to enter the good keywords in the title, in the brand, and in the bullet point. The third question is, if I want to rank or I would rather be dancing, should I use the quote or add relevant keywords like dance, choreography, and so on? This is a very good question because dance is very broad. Do you know how many sort of dance exist? Let's type in here. Dance type: ballet, ballroom, contemporary, hip hop, jazz, tap dance, folk dance, and so on. Dance is very broad. If I go to Amazon, and another thing, this is very important. When you want to use the incognito mode, always close it if you did a search before, and now click on now incognito mode and enter your Amazon.com. Because what I noticed is that when it's open and after like a day or so, it tends to track me. So it's better to close it and reopen it when you want to research your stuff. So let's say dance t-shirt. Maybe it dance like that, and I'm gonna use the mesh productor to find only the Mesh by Amazon t-shirt. You can see here over 1,000 result for dance, and I'm pretty sure if I go to page 3, I'm gonna have more than that. You can see 9,000 results. Now if I go to my list of dance and I select now ballet, and with the same tool I'll click here now ballet, select, and again productor and mesh by Amazon t-shirt, you can see 209. And when I go to page 3, 870. So you can see that for the keyword dance, when I was looking for dance, we had like 9,000 results if on page 3, but for the keyword ballet, which is a sort of dance, only 870. So me personally, I will not create a t-shirt about dance. Like I'd rather be dancing, okay, unless I want to create like I want to make some ads and so on to rank the listing. But I will create a t-shirt about ballet, about ballroom, about jazz, tap dance, and so on, instead of staying only with the dance. Instead of saying only create this, I would rather be dancing. Okay, but this is my opinion. If this answer your question, I think it's 2021. Okay, if it is answer your question, and if you like it, please consider like and subscribe. And you as well, if you have any question, please comment below, and I will be happy to do a video if needed. Thank you for your time, and have a nice day.